Okay, talking to the dealer, they say I have a problem with my ignition lock cylinder. Don't know if you can read that or not. Ignition lock cylinder. And according to the internet, you're going to need this T20 Torque X. And I think this was like $4. Also, according to the internet, while I was at the auto discount parts store, I picked up a set of these picks, which I may need to release the tumbler in the ignition key switch. I'll show you what it is. First order of business is to remove this plastic housing around this part here. First thing I did was just pull off this rubber housing and just slide it out of the way. The 3 screws you move with the T20, they come with different threads. Just an FYI. Now with the 3 screws removed, we can remove the plastic housing. Top. Turn your steering wheel to the right, clockwise about halfway until you can expose the ignition cylinder lock. Turn your key a little ways. Use this tool here, this bent tool here, and you'll be able to see where it lines up in your ignition. Follow it down. There's a little place in here that you use this key here. Follow it down. Right in this little hole here, you push in. Push the lever in and pull your ignition key out. Now what I was saying about is, this is the level switch right here. You can see it. This is the little level switch. You have to turn your key halfway because it won't bend or it won't push in unless the key is turned halfway to the first click. Learn to click like that, or like that. Somewhere, right? Halfway to the, and it would bend in. Now, luckily, opening the package, it comes with these little tumblers. The new ignition cylinder, turn the key halfway until this little lever will press in. Then line it up with your ignition and just slide it in. It should just pop right in. Ta-da! Turn the key back to the off position and remove your key. Put it back in and make sure everything works. Reassemble all the plastic housing around the steering column and hopefully everything works out for you. Good luck. Well, I've reassembled everything. Let's see what happens.